The ongoing war in Ukraine has seen an influx of foreign military support on both sides, reshaping the battlefield in unexpected ways. Among the most notable deployments in 2024 is the confirmed deployment of North Korea's Bulsae-4, a long-range, non-line-of-sight anti-tank guided missile system in the conflict. The destruction of two such systems by Ukrainian forces has highlighted the increasingly international dimensions of the war and the growing military alliance between Russia and North Korea. The Bulsae-4 represents one of North Korea's most advanced weapon systems, designed for precision strikes against armored vehicles at extended ranges. Its mobility and destructive capabilities make it a formidable battlefield asset. Equipped with sophisticated targeting and guidance systems, the Bulsae-4 is tailored to counter modern armored threats, making it particularly valuable in the intense and heavily mechanized combat of eastern Ukraine. Ukraine's Third Assault Brigade showcased its ability to neutralize such advanced weaponry when its windbreaker drone unit destroyed a Bulsae-4 system in Kharkiv Oblast in late November 2024. This operation underscored the importance of drones in modern warfare, enabling precision strikes against high-value targets while minimizing risk to personnel. The Bulsae-4 made its first confirmed appearance in Ukraine earlier in 2024, marking the beginning of North Korea military equipment's operational history in a foreign conflict. Its deployment underscores the deepening military cooperation between Russia and North Korea, a relationship solidified through a series of high-level meetings, including Russian Defense Minister Andrei Belousov's visit to Pyongyang in November 2024. While exact figures remain unclear, the deployment of Bulsae-4 systems suggests a strategic intent to bolster Russia's firepower in key regions. North Korean military personnel have also reportedly accompanied the system, providing operational training and technical support. Beyond equipment, North Korea's involvement extends to the deployment of soldiers. Reports estimate that approximately 11,000 North Korean troops have been stationed near the Kursk region, with their roles ranging from adversaries' capabilities to direct combat. Ukrainian forces engaged a small group of North Korean soldiers in November, marking the first confirmed clash between the two nations' troops. These deployments signal a significant escalation in foreign military involvement in the conflict. In assessing the Bulsae-4's regional peers, its capabilities draw comparisons to systems like Russia's Kornet-EM, China's HJ-12, and the American Javelin. While the Bulsae-4 offers advanced guidance and long-range precision, its operational effectiveness in Ukraine has faced significant challenges, including vulnerability to drone strikes and advanced countermeasures employed by Ukrainian forces. Unlike the highly portable Javelin or the Kornet-EM's proven versatility, the Bulsae-4's reliance on vehicle-mounted platforms limits its deployment in diverse combat scenarios. However, its relatively low production cost compared to Western counterparts provides a strategic advantage for countries seeking cost-effective anti-tank solutions. The presence of the Bulsae-4 in Ukraine illustrates its potential to disrupt armor operations, particularly in contested regions like Kharkiv Oblast. its long-range capabilities allow it to engage targets beyond the line of sight, a crucial factor in the open battlefields of Eastern Europe. Looking ahead, the Bulsae-4 could serve as a blueprint for future North Korean weapon designs, combining affordability with enhanced precision. However, its exposure to Ukraine's advanced countermeasures and drones raises questions about its vulnerability in high-tech conflicts. For nations considering similar systems, the operational challenges faced by the Bulsae-4 in Ukraine offer valuable lessons. For Ukraine, the destruction of Bulsae-4 systems is a morale boost and a testament to the effectiveness of its drone capabilities. However, the continued presence of North Korean equipment and personnel poses a growing challenge requiring sustained international support to adapt to these evolving threats. The broader geopolitical implications are significant. North Korea's increasing involvement in Ukraine deepens the military and political ties between Pyongyang and Moscow, potentially reshaping alliances in the region. For NATO and its allies, the conflict underscores the necessity of bolstering Ukraine's defenses against a diverse array of threats, both conventional and unconventional. The deployment and subsequent destruction of Bulsae-4 anti-tank missile systems reflects the growing complexity of the Ukrainian conflict. As North Korea's support for Russia intensifies, the battlefield dynamics continue to evolve, presenting new challenges and opportunities for Ukraine. The Bulsae-4's operational history in Ukraine offers valuable insights into modern warfare and highlights the enduring importance of innovation, adaptability, and international cooperation in countering emerging threats.